Can I sue for being hit by a semi-truck? Yes, you can sue for being hit by a semi-truck. And unfortunately, when semis are involved in collisions with other vehicles, the results can be devastating. Here's a quick guide. What do you do if you get hit by an 18-wheeler? If you get hit by an 18-wheeler, the first thing you should do is make sure you're in a safe location and won't be hit again. Then take the following steps. Call the local law enforcement to file an accident report. In Texas, you're legally required to immediately inform the police if you're involved in a crash that results in an injury, death, or damage to a vehicle to the extent that it cannot be normally and safely driven. Seek medical attention immediately. If you think you're injured even slightly, agree to take an ambulance from the scene. If you can safely do so, take photos of the semi-truck and other vehicles involved, the location of the crash, and any road conditions that may have played a role in the accident. Record the truck driver's name, as well as their contact information and insurance information. Record the names and contact information of any witnesses to the accident. Record the name of the trucking company that hired the semi-driver and any information they will give you about their recent trips, stops, or maintenance. Contact a semi-truck accident attorney as soon as possible. Do semi-truck accidents go to trial? While semi-truck accident cases can often be resolved out of court through a settlement, in some situations you may need to go to trial to secure maximum compensation. For this reason, you should look for a semi-truck accident attorney that's willing to fight for you and take your case all the way to trial if necessary. Many personal injury attorneys shy away from trials and will convince you to accept a lower settlement than you deserve. When choosing a lawyer to represent you, look for a law firm with a history of successfully taking semi-truck accident cases to trial. If you choose an experienced semi-truck accident lawyer who has won personal injury cases in the courtroom, you can be confident that your attorney is willing to fight for what you deserve. When should I contact a semi-truck accident lawyer? Medical expenses in semi-truck accidents can add up quickly, and many crash victims feel pressured to accept the insurance company's lowball first offer to pay their bills. Throughout this process, it is essential to keep in mind that insurance adjusters are not your friends. Insurance companies are for-profit businesses, and their goal is to always pay you the smallest settlement amount that you'll accept. An adjuster's job is to protect their employer's bottom line, not to help you. For this reason, you should avoid talking to an insurance company, even your own provider, without an attorney present. Claims adjusters are trained on manipulation tactics to minimize the injuries you suffered to justify a lower settlement. They are also taught to ask leading questions that will trick you into saying what they want to hear. To ensure you receive full compensation for your injuries, reach out to an experienced semi-truck accident attorney as soon as you can. If you are represented by an attorney, they're going to handle communication with the insurance company for you. Only a semi-truck accident lawyer will have the knowledge and experience that is necessary to investigate and argue with the insurance companies about your injury claim. If you've been injured in a semi-truck accident, it's essential to hire an aggressive and experienced personal injury attorney to take on the insurance company for you. Since semi-truck accident cases are more complicated than other types of motor vehicle crash cases, you will need a lawyer with specific knowledge of state trucking laws and regulations and experience handling these types of cases to negotiate the settlement that you deserve. If you have any questions, please call or email us at any time. At Attorney911, we protect victims like you every day, and we sincerely want to hear your story. Thank you for watching.